Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we are going to discuss how we can fix high CPU usage on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. If you are facing high CPU usage on your Windows 11 system, then you will find sudden app crash or apps are taking longer to open, or you will find that UI is unresponsive. To fix this high CPU usage, first of all you need to know how you can check your high CPU usage. For that, right click on Start button, then select Task Manager. Here click on Processes, and here you will find your CPU usage in terms of percentage. Here you can see I am using 4 to 5% of my CPU power. If you are having high CPU usage without using any applications or any software on your system, then first thing, try to restart your computer. After that, check your CPU usage. If still you are getting high CPU usage, then follow this step. For that, here you need to figure out which apps and services is using your high CPU power. Here you will find all the apps and services that are currently running on your Windows 11 computer. Here you can see OBS Studio is using 3.4% of CPU usage. Similarly, you can figure out on your system. Just select the app and services, then here click on End Tasks. So I'm not going to close this OBS Studio because currently I'm using it to record my screen. I hope you got an idea to figure out which app and services is using your high CPU power. Now next step, to disable automatic startup application. For that, here simply click on Startup. Here you will find list of apps and services that automatically run whenever you start up your PC. So this may also cause high CPU usage. Here you can see the app name, publisher name, status, and startup impact. Here you can see not major, not major, and here we have none. Decide which apps and services you don't need to auto start. Say for example, I don't want Cortana to auto start whenever I start my PC. So I'll simply select Cortana, and here I will simply click on disable. Similarly, I don't want iTuner Helper, uTorrent. So this way you need to figure out which apps and services you don't want to auto restart when you start your computer. And again, check your CPU usage. This should fix your high CPU usage issue on Windows 11. If still you are getting this issue, that means you have incomplete Windows update. For that, you need to update your Windows system first. To update, simply go to Start, then click on Settings. Here click on Windows Update, and here check for Windows Update. If you have any incomplete Windows update, just update your system and restart your system. Then you should see that high CPU usage has been fixed on your Windows 11. If you are still having high CPU usage, that means on your Windows 11 you have viruses or malware. For that, you can use Windows Security app to check your system. To open Windows Security app, simply click on this arrow icon, and here you will find Windows Security. Simply open Windows Security and scan for viruses and threats. If you have any viruses, simply remove that from your system. So these are the few methods that can fix high CPU usage on your Windows 11. And this will also help you to improve your Windows 11 performance. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.